Hi, I'm Gergő from Webshippy and I'm here to help you use our system in the most fluent way possible. And so you can take advantage of all the benefits of our services. Let us quickly go through everything you need to know about the successful delivery of your products. Every day at Webshippy we prepare, package and send out thousands of packages to satisfied customers. Of course, in order to have something to send, you must first deliver the necessary quantity of goods to our performance center so we can take it into stock. We know you want the whole process to go as smoothly as Usain Bolt outracing the slows. So do we. That's why we want to show you how you can help speed up the delivery process and ensure the trouble-free stocking of shipped-in products. Spoiler: all of this can happen within a day thanks to our automated labor processes, our wonderful team, and of course, you. Recording the delivery of goods to the warehouse. The delivery of your products begins with your recording a shipping schedule record in the Webshippy system. You choose the product to be delivered, then give the exact amount. It's that simple. Based on this record, Webshippy can receive your products. What happens if the quantity of goods sent in doesn't match the quantity specified in the record? Delay, sometimes up to several working days, because our team needs to check and recheck the quantities 2 or 3 times. Please specify the products and amounts when recording online accurately. This is in our common interest. Thank you in advance. When recording the shipping, our system automatically offers you all the available delivery days, taking our daily capacities into account. How much time you have. If it's urgent to you that we take your products into stock as soon as possible, you can record a priority shipping. The slight problem with this is that Webshippy has to rearrange the scheduled revenue timetable. This is why it's so important to choose this shipping option only in emergency cases. When you finalize the delivery, a label like this will appear on your computer screen. Please print it and stick it on the box of the product to be shipped. If your shipment arrives from an external warehouse, please ask the sender to place the sticker on the box. If this is not possible, then they need to write the identification number of the recorded shipping on the parcel distinguishably. Recipient must always be Webshippy Kft. Never address your product to a private person, say your contact, because it makes identifying rather complicated. And this can result in a couple of days of stocking delay. You can deliver your products virtually any way you want. You can bring it in person, can send it with a courier, or if it's more convenient, you can also direct it to our warehouse from the distributor or manufacturer directly. The one and only super important thing is to have the shipping identification on the box of the product. Oh, and never send the product with cash on delivery, as we cannot take those. Shipping your product to our warehouse. The day has come, the day of delivery. As this is the day you recorded in the shipping schedule record, you have to deliver or have the goods delivered to the warehouse today. Not a day before, not a day after, otherwise stocking can be delayed. In busier periods, it can be delayed even by days. In the warehouse, we only have capacity to receive your products in the time frames offered to you during recording the shipping. Not before, not after, not on holidays. The delivered products are taken in the received order. In most of the time we are hyper fast and do everything in our power to quicken the process, but it may happen that you need to wait a little bit sometimes. Barcode identification. The received products are taken in by barcode identification. There can be 3 reasons for us to put a product aside and take in your package without that particular item. 1. There is no barcode on the product. 2. There is a barcode, but it's undecipherable for some reason. 3. The barcode cannot be found in our system, it's not assigned to any item number. If your barcode is hard to find, its reading becomes difficult. This can significantly increase registering time. In extreme cases, it can even prevent it. The most important aspect you need to pay attention to is that physically, one barcode should only belong to one piece of product. You need to record that particular product and its barcode at shipping you want to have in stock. What to do when your product consists of more than one piece, like a shower gel set? There are 2 options. Either you can pack them together and ship the set to our warehouse as one item with one barcode, or you can have them delivered to us by components. You will need to create a product set in the system containing all the components so that we will know what products to pack together if an order comes in for this particular set. In this case, you need to place a separate barcode on all the different components and they all need to be recorded in the shipping schedule record separately. The choice is yours. If there is a barcode on the box we receive, we will take it as an identification of the product inside. If you would like to have your products in the box to be taken into stock separately, you will need to cross out the barcode on the box. This way our colleagues will immediately know what to do. You have multiple products you want to send in to our warehouse with only one barcode because only the color of the product differ? No problem. If this is the case, our colleagues will handle them as one type of product and send them out to your customers in random. If you want to avoid this, have a different barcode for each product variant. What happens if you deliver a product with the same barcode as one of your previous different products? We will put your new under the name and item number of the previous one. I guess you would rather avoid the resulting problems, right? Then you need to make sure to handle the barcodes of your products consequently. It's also important for one product to have only one barcode. If there are more barcodes on it that we previously recorded in our system, it can happen that the product will appear under the wrong item number. Taking into stock. Large quantities of excipients, such as stickers, flyers, descriptions, cannot be taken in itemized. So these products go in stock without counting with the quantity you recorded in the system. If the packaging of one of your products is damaged, therefore we find that it cannot be sent to customers, it will be put aside without taking it into stock. Naturally, we will notify you. Our customer service will contact you via email. If a product you submit contains a detachable piece, it needs to be secured to the main product so that they cannot part during shipping and warehouse handling. For example, like this. If the product falls apart during shipping or handling, we put it aside and it will not be taken into your stock. Is your product fragile? Choose a packaging that will protect it. Otherwise, we cannot guarantee its integrity. We cannot undertake handling injurious, pointed, sharp, therefore dangerous products, nor items that are too large or too heavy. This should be discussed with your sales contact in advance. Your submitted products will be placed on our shelves after receipt. If the size or quantity of a product doesn't allow this, they go for the pallet. 10 out of 10 products are satisfied with pallet storage. And what happens to your product that for some reason we didn't take in? You get them back at your next delivery. Or you can consult customer service and decide together. Create and go through your first delivery so you can experience how great Webship is.